Hello everyone and welcome to the channel How Do I Do It. Now I bring you 5 more excellent tips for the home that I think will be very helpful, since they are very easy and as always trying not to spend almost anything. I hope you like them and here you have them. They open their shirt drawer and look for them this way, and they have it even worse than me. It is very annoying not to find the shirt or shirts you want to wear just because you have everything in disarray. Doing it this way you will avoid this problem and it will look like a magazine and quite simple. Now I will show you how to do it. We only take the shirt or t-shirt that we want to fold and we do it in the traditional way, only instead of leaving it with a single fold, we make another one so that it is more compact and now you will see why. We do it again with all the others and stack them or set them aside, because they should all be folded this way in order to have them organized. We go back to our drawer and arrange the shirts and t-shirts vertically, as seen in the video, so apart from being able to see them all from the moment we open the drawer, we can easily find the one we want to wear. And if we want to put one more in, we just move any one aside and put it between these, and as you can see it looks much more organized. I think it has happened to all of us that it is very difficult for us to get the nails in the exact place to hang the pictures, but with this tip you will no longer have problems putting it up right the first time. We only need obviously our hammer, the nails that we will put in the wall and what will help us get them in the precise place, a toothpaste. We turn our picture over and locate the handles that will hold it when we have put the nails in the wall. Once we have them well placed, we take the toothpaste and put a very little on the handles, holes or rings depending on the frame they have, so that they can be marked on the surface and indicate the exact place where to place our nails. Remember that you only have to put a little paste. Once the toothpaste is applied, we take our picture and present it where we want to put it. And when we find the exact place, we press it against the wall and remove it. There you will see that the position where we should put our nails will be marked and that it will be perfectly accommodated. We take the nails, which in this case have to have a head, as I show you in the video, since these handles need this type of nails so that they do not fall. We find the toothpaste marks and nail them in and remove any excess toothpaste that is left, and once in place, we take our picture and mount it and you should no longer have problems getting it in place. This tip is totally for women. They have a small bathroom and usually that is how they arrange their things while they get ready, and no matter how much they want to keep it in place, then it falls into the sink or gets wet. Well, the solution is very simple and quick. We take the cardboard tube from a roll of toilet paper and paint it the color you want. This is to protect it a little more from humidity and to make it look better in your bathroom. And you put on the hairbands, some bracelets, hair ties, brooches and hairpins and whatever you want to put on it. And to make it even more secure and not fall, you can put some varnish or a small bottle of whatever you use in the middle, and apart from taking advantage of the space, it will not move from its place. We have already made several tips on how to use these plastic hooks, and here we have one more. We are only going to need the part where the clamps come from, so as you saw in the other video, and if not I invite you to watch it. Cut with a hacksaw or a very hot knife the part where the metal part is attached and only the part with the clips will be left. We take the cable or cables that we want to tangle and put one of the ends held with the clamp of the hook and we turn it until everything is accommodated in the plastic. And when we get to the end we secure it with the other clip and voila, we have our cable tangled and tidy without making a mess in the drawers or getting tangled with the other cables we have. If you have ever sewn something or have tried to do it, you know how difficult it can sometimes be to put the thread into the needle without the help of some accessory to do it. But with this simple tip you will no longer have problems. Take a little hairspray and spray it on the tip of the thread that we want to put into the needle, just a little, and wait for it to dry, since this way the thread will become a little hard and it will be much easier to put it in. If you want to speed up the process, constantly blow on the thread, but I assure you that after trying this tip, you will never have problems again to put the thread into any needle. As you know, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with all your family, friends and acquaintances, like it on the Facebook page and check out the other videos because I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thank you for watching and I hope this advice has been useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.